if you're thinking of purchasing this S25 Ultra Pro tab, you should watch this video before you go ahead. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Surprise again. Surprise is the name. So today I'm going to be talking about this tab, the S25 Ultra Pro. I purchased this tab a few months ago. I posted the unboxing video on here, and I first of all heard of this product in an importers group. So in like their group of importers, we normally like post, trending products, useful products, sometimes buy things in batches and all of that. So I used to be part of a group like that. And they've been posting the tab, saying it's good and recommending it and all of that. So when I wanted to buy, I came online to look for reviews or videos, because on the Supplier's page there was nothing much to see. Even the videos the supplier would send, they were not live videos. So I came on YouTube, I couldn't really see anything. I was seeing other models. I didn't see this exact S25 Ultra Pro. I didn't see this exact model. So that's why I made it a point of duty to actually post that video when I eventually get mine, because I know that when I was searching for a video, I didn't find it. And it has been doing well, because why people have been searching for it. When people are searching for stuff, at least my video is popping up and it's useful to them. But the main reason why I bought this tab, was for my business, of freelancing and all of that. And I said before I started taking orders, let me buy it first and use it for some time before I start taking orders from people. Because this is a gadget. It's not expensive, but I'll say it's quite expensive because it's not something that you can be refunding people anyhow for. It's not bag, it's not nylon, it's a whole gadget, right? So I thought to buy it, test it out before I started taking orders. But ever since I bought this tab, I discovered it was trash. The tab is not useful. All the specifications are fake, and it has me wondering, like, why were my fellow importers hyping it up? Because I don't understand. I had my fellow importers that would go and leave comments on the Supplier's page saying, oh my god, the tab is so nice, if you want to procure, if you want to get it, text me here. So even if the tab is nice, it's not nice. Their own is how to get procurement. Since suppliers allow that, it's a good review, so the supplier will not be offended or try to remove it, or nobody tries to remove the review because it's a good review. So they use that as a sort of advertisement for themselves. Like, if you want to buy, or you want to learn something, you want to learn importation, or you want to talk to me about procurement, you can dial this number, and I can say millions of people will be seeing that. So I'm wondering, this person that has been dropping a number everywhere on these suppliers review pages, is that you've not bought one for yourself to try? Because this thing is trash. First of all, why is it trash? On the specification here, it says 512 gigabytes of storage, which is a fucking lie. Which is a lie. Apologies for the F word. The storage on this tab is not more than 15 gig. Even if you want to lie, even if something is not complete, I charged this thing today now, why is it not coming on? Even if you want to lie and it's not complete, from 512 to 15 gig. Kobosi, why? What kind of lie is that? Why is this thing not coming on? What kind of lie is that? I'm just plugging, let me see if it's gonna come on. There is no storage on the phone. All the specifications are lies. Like, this should not be allowed. It just shows that there's no regulatory body in China or something, because how do you write something on a product and what you get is something else entirely? Like, I'm so glad that I did not take orders from anybody. In short, what reminded me of this, someone texted me recently, they wanted to get it. I'm like, wait, that's true. I've not even made another video after my unboxing. I do not recommend at all. I do not recommend at all. Maybe if you're buying it for a baby, using one or two apps, okay, but it's not useful. To think the tab came with a load of apps. See, this tab not on again. See me so trouble. I'm charging it, it's not coming on. Like, I want to even open the storage and show you guys. That's weird. is it not coming on? Well, so the storage part separate. The first issue I even noticed before storage was that when I impute SIM inside, it was not coming on. Like, I was not seeing network. I thought this tab was bad. I literally sent a video to the supplier crying that, oh my god, you gave me a fake tab. I've put in my SIMs, it's not working. Like, I spent too much money. I already had plans, for the tab. I'm going to be using it to be checking my website, because my website the website doesn't really function on phone. It's either on tab or laptop. To be checking charts, forex charts, or freelancing, or as a spare phone. It also came with keyboard and all of that. I thought it was like some sort of mini laptop. It was all a lie. So the network will not come up. The supplier was telling me that it will work. So I thought, okay, let me try something else. And I decided to carry the SIM, and I went outside my house. I went to the backyard to impute the SIM before the thing show signal. And when I come back in my room, it doesn't show signal again. If the tab is absolutely trash, I'm sure it's not about my house network. It is trash, because why is my phone SIM working? And a tab that promises to be all that, I can't see any network. I can't make calls on the tab. I can't do anything. I'm so glad I took our time to test it out, and I made sure I didn't take any order from anybody. In short, people were asking me how much. I just didn't reply again, because I'm like, let me first test it. But now that I haven't confirmed, anybody that's texting me, I'm telling them I'm not taking orders for this. I don't know why people have been hyping it up. This thing is complete trash. The RAM too, they said the thing is 18 gig RAM. That RAM is behaving like 2 gig RAM. Now I try on the thing, no on. I don't understand. I'm trying to put it on, it's not coming on. I don't use this tab. It can be here 1 week, 2 weeks. I don't use it for anything. Maybe also once in a while I want to visit some sites or download an app that requires an Android. Okay, so it's finally coming on. That's when I come and put it on. It's not useful. 1 bit. It's not even worth it at all. That's why some people say China, they do trash stuff, but they actually make nice things too. It's just one out of exceptions, because why would you lie? They literally plastered all these features on the body and none of it is working. Even the keyboard that came with it, I've never used it. In short, since oh my god, it's not charging, 0%. What's going on? Since I unboxed this thing, I have not come back to it. The keyboard and everything that came with it, I've not tried it. I don't even know if it's working. Oh, I still don't have spare charger. I really need charger. See, there's keyboard, there's mouse. I even need mouse too, but I don't know if the mouse works with only this keyboard. It's just the packaging that is very deceitful. But the actual tab itself, trash. If you want to buy it for 1 year old, 5 year old maybe, and it's super big, you can't even carry it around. Very stressful to carry. Very stressful, not useful. Nothing. It's useless. Okay, well, maybe you just want something to be watching movies with. You don't have TV. Maybe you can get it. But please, nobody should contact me about getting this again. I don't procure trash. I'm so thankful that I got to try it out first and make sure I don't enter debt. These are some of the things we face in importation. Some importers will not come and say this, but so far I'm not calling anybody money. I tested it out, saw that it's not good, and came to give feedback. So even if it's one person that this video saves, if you're thinking, oh, is this going to be a second phone, or this is going to be so useful for you, or it's not going to be useful, not just the packaging, they use the same person. All the specifications, they're all lies. The phone lags, the tab, whatever, it lags. You can't use it to do anything. You can't get anything done with it. The one that paid me pass is that SIM on. The SIM, you can't put SIM inside, you will not see network. And that storage is very key to me. I'm like 512 gig, wow. I can even be storing maybe moving some things from my iPhone here to store it. 512 gig, yeah, that's a lot. Even my iPhone is 256 gig. I see all the gig is not even up to 15 gig. Like, why lie? You can just make a phone with this exact specifications and put the price. People will buy it if it's good than selling rubbish. Sure, people are really like shocked with the hype. You know, there was a time it was really raining. I don't really follow up with all this stuff currently. By the time it was really trending with all this kiddies tablet and everything, they'll have sold a lot before people start realizing this. And most people that even realizing, they will not say anything. They feel like so that they can make their profits. If the customer finds out later, at least customer wants to buy something cheap. That's what they get. It's not worth it at all. So if you're looking to import this, you're looking to buy it, someone will sell it to you, run. Total waste of money. I regret it then. If I know I'll have bought all these phones, them Techno and Kenny here. And I didn't finish another, and I read me here. Sometimes I roof the wrong villain. All this keyboard, all this one, I don't know what I'm going to do today. But it's not a good purchase at all. I hope there's nothing that I'm forgetting that I want to say about this thing. It's not even the camera, trash. Everything trash. To be hanging, no SIM, storage, RAM, rubbish, absolute nonsense. It's just big for nothing. And the packaging, it's that packaging that they used to like deceive everybody. It's all fake. Better don't waste your money. Don't waste your money on. If you're watching this video, don't waste your money. And please don't contact me about it. I have other things I sell. You can see them there. I can also help you procure good things that work, not things like this. I value my peace of mind over money. You can give me 1 million and tell me that this 1 million I want to give you, you want a peace of mind. I'll tell you to hold it. I don't want. Peace of mind is very key. So this is very, very bad purchase. It's like the worst things. One of the worst things I've purchased from China. Because most of the things I always purchase, at least, even though they have okay like once, I can still use them, right? This one, it's not useful. It's not useful. See how the pack you think that you are getting one sensible product. Na lie, oh. Na lie. Na lie. So, see all the nonsense that they wrote there. The SIM self is not dual SIM. It's only one SIM that shows at once. If you put another SIM, the two SIM will disappear. Oh, I think the only thing that is real here is the size, 10.1 inch. The memory, RAM, lies. Android 15. This is not Android 15 that is on this tab. It's in short, when I was trying to like work on the tab, I saw that Android 15 had not yet come out. I think Android 15 they're just preparing to release Android 15 or something. But it sure doesn't work on this tab. I don't know why China had to do that. They don't pass all that one. So if you have been looking to import this, maybe an importer watching this or your customer, you want to get it, please abort mission. Use money I eat. Use money I eat, I will buy Techno. It's not even much use tab. The size itself is stressful. I bought it that period when this serious Kony Deeper Life was raining. Where everybody would carry big tab like iPad. We're thinking this would suffice for iPad in a way. Complete disappointment. It not even felt like load. I'm like, brag, I've just gone for a normal Android phone. So I've come to do my part. Even if it's one person that is saved, I'm alright. I've spent my money, wasted money, so you do not waste money. But if you want to purchase other things, I'm going to leave my website link in bio. I have other things that are good, that are great. I've seen them, they're with me, make use of them. Customers have been buying. Can also help you procure things at work. But you see this one, 0/10, do not recommend. So yeah, kindly like, subscribe and share. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Supplier signing out. Bye.